Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome back on my YouTube channel, The Aman. Today I'll discuss about three hiring opportunities. So you can see here, first of all, I'll discuss about software engineer profile. After that, I'll discuss about QA engineer profile. Then at the end, I'll discuss about associate analyst profile. So before discussing all of the three opportunity, you can see here guys, this is my channel. So if you didn't subscribe it yet, so please subscribe this channel, click on the bell icon for new videos notification. And you can see here, this is my LinkedIn profile, so please follow me here. And this is my Insta profile, so please follow me here. I'll provide all the links in description box, so please follow me there guys. So now we will discuss about software engineer associate profile. So general information mentioned by company, read it carefully, like country India, city Hyderabad, state Telangana. This is the job ID 42540 and your department is development. Okay, see here. Then scroll down and you can see, read it carefully, description and requirements. Job title, okay, mention software developer. You can see in bracket a specific role, software developer. This is the JD information. So read it. Then you can see here key responsibilities like cross-functional teams to design, develop and implement software solutions. Then code reviews and contribute to the continuous improvement of our development processes. Then troubleshooting, resolving technical issues, latest industry trends and technologies, project documentation and user guides. Okay. Then now came into qualification. So you can see here the qualification is bachelor degree in relevant field like computer science, information technology. You should have a strong understanding of relevant programming languages like Java, Python, C++. So you should have a knowledge at least this type of programming languages like Java, Python, C++. And you have problem solving skills and attention to detail, then read it ability to work effectively in team environment, then strong communication skills. Then here mention experience level, fresh graduates or candidate with up to 1 year of relevant experience. So if you are fresher, then you can apply for this of also, and if you have a 1 year of experience, then you can also apply for this opportunity. So I'll provide the link in description box. You can apply from there. Then now I'll discuss about QA engineer. So you can see here India, Maharashtra, Pune. This is the location, regular type. This is the date. This is the job ID. This is the apply icon. So click over the apply. You can apply from here. This is the basic information about QA engineer. So read it. Then role description and responsibilities. So read all the information carefully. Then you can see here qualifications. So qualification mentioned by company, a bachelor or master degree in engineering department, experience in the area of software testing, and how much experience you can see here, 1 to 4 year of experience. So fresher can't apply for this job, only experienced people can apply for this job. So read all the information carefully, then apply, click over the apply button. Okay, I'll provide this link also in description box. Then at the end I'm going to talking about associate analyst. Okay, location is Gurugram, Haryana, India. This is the date. So scroll down, this is the apply now icon. This is description part, so you can read it carefully. Then this is the job overview, responsibilities, so read all the details carefully. Then this is the qualification, you can read it. Bachelor degree in quantitative field, math, statistics, computer science, engineering or related field required. 0 to 2 years of experience in analytics. So you should have a 0 to 2 years of experience. So if you are fresher, then you can apply for the job, and you should have a 1 year or 2 years of experience, then you can also apply for this job. So analytical skills with the ability to collect, organize, analyze and multiple information provided by company. So read all the information carefully. Preferred, you can see here, master degree. Familiar with reporting tools like Spotfire, Tableau, Power BI, okay, SQL. So read all the information carefully. Then for apply, click over the apply now button and apply for this job. Don't miss this opportunity. And in the right side you can see here this opportunity is for .NET developer. Then you can see here senior data engineer, then analyst, data scientist, machine learning. So multiple opportunities also exist in this website. So explore this, read it, and apply for the job. Don't miss this opportunity. This is very helpful for you. I'll provide all the links in description box. So go and apply for all types of job. Okay. So that's all about today video. So if this video is really helpful for you, so please like this video, share with your friends. Till then, thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in next video.